So, how do you say to hear something in Irish part two? The older generation here on the Irish I learned, we would say wahima for I heard. Instead of cholama, we'd say wahima or wahi tu shin, or wahima shin. Uh, you can say then in the present tense as well if you and wahin tu, do you hear? Oh, mahim. Um, it's funny, we would tend to say clunyum then, and that in the present tense. It depends on the speakers, I suppose. And then the word itself, mohu, is to hear or to sense, to feel as well. But another version of mohu said in Donegal was mokdal. Niroin wokdal aimer meant I didn't hear anything about it. It was said in southwest Donegal as well. So I heard a speaker say, "Vi taraman lamokdal sakran." There was a noise to be heard in the tree. Vishan and Minaneri, that there was a tree in Minaneri that there was meant to be a noise inside of. Yeah, so that's just to get the bug the blashu done Gaelic.